All right, my friends, this is reviewing perimeter and area. So remember, perimeter is the length around the sides or the edges of a polygon. Has to be a polygon, so that means the sides are straight and it is a closed figure. So don't forget that here, even though the sides are not written, they're still there. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add all of these together. What I like to do is I just like to double in my head. So 12 plus 8, which tells me that the perimeter of this rectangle is 20 centimeters, and I'm not going to square my units. So I like to do this just so I don't forget. So again, I'm going to double 14 plus 10, and the perimeter of this parallelogram is 24 feet. All right, this is a triangle, so I'm just gonna add these together. 5 plus 7 plus 6, let's see, 12 plus 6. So the perimeter of this triangle is 18 centimeters. Perimeter, easy squeezy, just gotta add. All right, now area is the size of the surface. And we talked a little bit about this in class. Area is if you had these little squares that cover it. I like to think of area like a quilt or tiles. Okay, how many little squares would cover the surface of a polygon? Okay, or a shape. So here are the formulas again really quickly. We use capital A. To find the area of a parallelogram, we multiply the base times the height. So we're gonna multiply base times height. All right, to find the area of a triangle, we're gonna take 1/2 of the product when we multiply base times height. 1/2 base times height. And with a trapezoid, we're gonna do the same thing. The only difference is that we are going to add the two bases together, base 1 and base 2, and then we multiply it times the height. So 1/2 of the bases times the height. So again, parallelogram, base times height. Triangle, 1/2 base times height. Trapezoid, 1/2 bases times height. There is one problem you're gonna see on your homework that looks like this. Find the missing measurement when the perimeter is 92. So this is where you're gonna flex those algebra skills, my friends. So you know that when you add this missing side D plus 48 plus 14 plus 20, you get 92. Excuse me. So when you add, you're gonna need to figure out what this is to find the missing value. So that's 62 plus 20 equals 92. I'm just simplifying. I'm gonna clean that up. 82 equals 92. Ooh, 92. This is why I don't like using pens. So you can just do some mental math here, or you can actually solve it to be absolutely sure. So this tells me that that missing side is 10 centimeters.